Hi, it's good to have a word with you. These are indeed unprecedented times. None of us had an idea of what was coming to the world as we're approaching the conclusion of 2019. We have gone through the state of national disaster, and we've moved to a lockdown. And this situation may cause many of us to develop anxiety, to develop stress, and to despair. But today, I want to encourage you with Psalms 23. It's a psalm of David. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. During this time, let us take courage in the knowledge that the Lord is with us. Even as we go through the season of this coronavirus pandemic, He is still our shepherd. The Lord Jesus himself assured us in John chapter 10 and verse number 11, saying, I am a good shepherd, and as a good shepherd, he lays his life for us. So maybe you are thinking about how you're going to look into the future. Maybe the prospect of your work are diminishing. Maybe it's a question of those that are not well. Maybe you yourself have been infected with this virus. I want to encourage you today that the Lord is the shepherd to all of us. A sheep does not have to worry about its circumstances. The shepherd is the one that ensures that there is food at the right time. The shepherd is the one that ensures that there's something to quench the thirst of those that are thirsty, and that there is security in times of danger. The Lord is with us. I want you to know today that God is having you in his palm. He will secure you. He will take all of you through this season. Take courage. God bless.